Hi everyone. Today we're going to make a paper helicopter. You'll need a ruler, a piece of rectangle paper, a scissor, a pencil, and a paper clip. Okay, let's get started. First, we have to measure 4 inches on the paper. Then mark that spot. Then cut. Then cut with this. Then fold. Then fold the tip like this. And secure it with the paper clip. Then make a third cut in the middle. Then see these two sides. Fold each part on each side. And voila! You got a paper helicopter. Now I'm going to show you how it flies. And put it in height. Then drop it. Now that's how it flies. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Bye. If you like my video, press the subscribe button and the bell button. Bye.